What's going on, everybody? Welcome for the first vid. Today we got the factory little, I guess, splash guards. I think they call them spat guards or something like that. These are usually put on by the dealer, but as we all know, some dealers don't install these. They don't install the pedals. They don't do anything that they're supposed to do. I actually have to go back to the dealership because there's some air deflectors that go on the front suspension, and I really would like them to install them. They have torque specs and all that good stuff. These right here are just some plastic pop rivets, and I went and bought a rivet gun here. And here's the sweet instructions that they give us. Pretty much just tells you there's 5 plastic rivets, just like these right here. And tells you what order to put them in. So the first thing you have to do on the car is these 3 plastic rivets here. You have to go ahead, take those out. And these are the little push rivets that are usually on a car, little clips. So reading the instructions, it says that you install 5 of the plastic rivets. So I'm guessing these 3 clips don't go back in. I mean, these 2 holes up here are also for the rock guard as well. So looking for the instructions here, if you have these in your trunk wondering how to put them on, looks like they want you to go A, B, C, D, E. So I guess I'm going to start with this one here, this one, and then follow the order that it's got here. This rivet gun, I bought it from Advanced. It seems like it's going to do the trick. The rivet will go into there, and I pulled it one time and it started to compress it. So I guess that this is going to work. We'll find out here in just a second. So I got my 5 rivets. I'm going to go ahead and get one of them started into this rivet gun. Put this on the car. I actually like the way these factory ones look. That's why I'm just gonna stick with it. I'll try to make sure that I get it through everything into the car where it needs to go. There's a hole back there. Just trying to get it lined up, make sure it's in there. All right, get this lined up with my hole here. Get it pushed through. Oh, it's like I had to get it started in there. Shoot, that's on there solid. I'll give them that. All right, so get my rivet on here. Go up here to the top hole, make sure it's pushed in real firm. Get started. Oh, and that's got that one. Get the plastic piece out. Oh yeah, it's turning out good. The only thing I really have to do different on these because they're plastic, I'm going ahead and getting them kind of started, bending just a little. Pushed them in the gun. Make sure I got them all the way seated. Still using my instructions. See, this right here is the next one. Get that in there, push it up against it nice and hard. Woo. Oh yeah, working out good. Go ahead and get it kind of started. I'm assuming I got to get it started like that because I do not have the correct rivet gun. Put that in there, make sure it's in the body real good. Whoop. Good job. That's freaking solid. This one, I may have to turn my tire a little bit more. Finger back here behind it, make sure it goes through. Well, this one broke before it even got through. Let's see. All right, again. Okay, make sure this is through the back piece of plastic as well. There we go. Rivet gun just wasn't gripping the plastic very well. I had to reposition. Oh yeah, nice and solid. All right, so that is the procedure to put these on. They actually look pretty good. Nice thick plastic. Hangs under just a little. That'll help keep all of this stuff from happening. Now they do have paint protection film from the factory on this edge down here and right here. But still, look at how far up it goes. See all the little on the door as well. And that's just from that front tire. So I know why Dodge included these, and I'm happy they did. They actually look really good for factory, rock guards. Repeat the process on the passenger side. It went in just as simple as the driver's side did. Again, to me, these things really don't look bad at all. Oh yeah, let me straighten the wheels back up, see what it looks like. Yep, nothing wrong with that. Good job, Dodge. I mean, they look pretty good. Wish you'd have gave me something very similar that goes on the back, but if the front's all I get, that helps keep from slinging stuff all over the side of the car. So I'm happy with it. So thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, this is a short, simple video. Stay tuned, there'll be better videos to come. Just trying to get started on it, get some things in. There's probably some stuff that I'm gonna do that I'm not gonna film because I've got other videos that I did on my 2018 Scat Pack, and a lot of this body is the same as that car's body. But there's some specific things, Hellcat and stuff that I'll do, some videos that I'll probably repeat just to get freshened on the on the YouTubes here, and people that are searching for wide body stuff could see it that wouldn't necessarily see it if they were searching for Scat Pack stuff. So anyway, I appreciate each one of you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, check out some of my other videos. I've got stuff on Mustangs. I've got stuff on Scat Packs. I've got stuff on this Hellcat. I've got stuff on ZL1 Camaro. Still looking for a channel name. If you have any suggestions, something that's not specific to any one make, model, or brand, something, you know, generic that I could name my channel.